Hello everyone, it's Kenneth again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you how to make a pearl milk tea. Yes, you heard it right. It's pearl milk tea, and this is one of my favorite cold drink, or if you want, you can make a slush as well. So, this is easy. I'm gonna show you step by step, okay? So let's go and enjoy watching. So guys, right now I'm making the syrup for the tapioca. We need evaporated milk, whole milk, green tea, loose leaf tea, or Earl Grey tea, and that's the tapioca right now. We're just making it like thick or sticky para maganda yung ating brown sugar with tapioca. Guys, make sure na sticky na siya, ha. There you go, it's almost ready. Ilalagay na po natin ang tapioca na naluto ko na yung tapioca, kaya i-mix na natin sa syrup. Para magkaroon ng mas malasang cold drink, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of the vanilla. Okay, just this one. And now guys, I'm going to start boiling water for our loose leaf green tea and Earl Grey tea. The green tea, and I mixed it with the Earl Grey. Okay, and then the next one is gonna be mix it with 1 cup of whole milk. And 1 cup of evaporated milk. You will just need to boil it, or let them boil, and then it's gonna be ready very soon. Now it's boiling, so it's ready. So guys, it's ready now and it's so yummy. I already tried it. Make sure to put lots of ice, okay? You see the tapioca is underneath, and you need to make sure as well that you make your tapioca so soft, okay? It's so yummy. You see? And not expensive. So here you go, guys. Our pearl milk tea DIY. So yummy. So try nyo din to, guys. You're gonna love it. Okay? First time to do it, and so that's all for now. Thank you. I hope you like my video. God bless us all, and I love you guys.